Okay, hello everyone. So in this demo, what I'm going to do is I'm going to join or link between tabular data to a layer that is being consumed from GeoHub. Uh, but the same applies to any external layer if you're using ArcGIS Online externally or any other uh, hosted feature class from GeoHub. So you can see here in the Power BI canvas, I have a table with two fields, SA2, statistical area level 2, which with its name, and then the population field. What I'm going to do, I'm going to select ArcGIS Maps for Power BI. And if you already done it for the first time, it will just let you go straight away, connect into GeoHub. If not, it will ask you. There might be a case where it will refer you to default in ArcGIS Online, which in this case you will need to put the URL of GeoHub in order to remove the default. Now I'll just double click on that and I will log in into GeoHub. Now that I'm connected, what I can do, I can go into this menu, ArcGIS, and I can, instead of my content, I will just go into ArcGIS to my organization and I can search across all transport. I will just use statistical area level 2 for the search, and we're just gonna double check that. And I'll add it to ArcGIS Maps for Power BI. So that will consume the data from GeoHub, and in general will bring all the features across the nation, so that takes a bit of time. Okay, so I've added the statistical area level 2 into the canvas. The next step, what I can do is just uh, drag the common field, which in this case will be the SE2 names in both the tabular data and the consume hosted feature class from GeoHub. So I'm going to just drag it into, I'll just scroll down here and I'll just drag the SA2 into the join layer. When I do this, you can see something has been triggered. It asks me to go to the join layer and just define the common field, which in this case will be the SA2 name, and create a join. This will look on the match values and create a join. As you can see now, if I go into the layer, there's one of the layers with that little symbol of join. And obviously I can now change the symbology, do whatever manipulation on the symbology as I like. But I think just to demonstrate the dynamics, I will just go into select Anandel as an example. As you can see, now the data is interactive and joined between the tabular data and a layer from GeoHub. And that's it. Thank you.